We just gotta make this quick. Just gotta make it real quick. What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with another video. This time around we got a quick unboxing for you. But before we get into the unboxing, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. So I am running a giveaway right now, starting today, October 22nd, and it's going all the way to the 31st. If you'd like to be entered into the giveaway, just leave a comment down at the bottom. Just let me know where you're tuning in from, or what you like about the video, anything like that. Any comments left on this video, you will be entered into the giveaway. But you must be subscribed in order to be part of the giveaway. So yeah, like I said, if you want to be entered, just leave a comment. But the winner, which will be selected on October 31st, I'll do a raffle and I'll contact the winner, and the winner will have $100 to spend on some fragrances. You could either mix and match, pick something, you know what I mean, get a cheap fragrance and a more expensive fragrance, or you can get some body oils, like one of my previous videos. But yeah, you could just mix and match. You got $100 to spend, so if you need any recommendations, I could probably help you pick out something. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for that. We just gonna hop right into this unboxing. These here that I have, my job, they gave me a couple dollars to spend with Amazon since I hit my 10 years with the company. So there's two fragrances that I grabbed. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I've been going crazy with the clones. So once again, yeah, we got two more clones right here. Without talking too much, we're just gonna get straight into it. These Middle Eastern fragrances, y'all probably seen it on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, but a lot of these fragrance people now are talking about a lot of these Middle Eastern fragrances. Like, I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but Qaed Fursan is by Lataffa. I believe this one, I don't even know if it's inspired by or a clone of anything, but yeah, that's the first one that we got. And the second one is Galatea or Galatea, or Galatea, I don't know. But we just gonna open these up and give you guys my first impressions, because these also are blind buys. A lot of my fragrances that I buy, most of the time they just be blind buys. But I mean, something like this, if it smells good, this will be a good thing for the raffle. You know what I mean? Like, for both of these fragrances, I only spent 40 bucks. So just imagine like somebody that's, trying to grow their YouTube channel, or just trying to grow their fragrance collection. Yeah, I mean, you get two fragrances for 40 bucks. Man, you can really bust that 100 open if you do it right. But here's the bottle. I believe this one is a clone of Parfums de Marley Godolphin. So this is a leather fragrance. I've never smelled the Parfums de Marley Godolphin, and I never smelled this. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it right away. I mean, this gold bottle is kind of cheesy. Definitely a fingerprint magnet. I can already see my fingerprints all over the bottle, like where I've been grabbing it at. I mean, it does have a little quality to it. The sticker on the bottom kind of wonky there a little bit, but cap, it looks like it's heavy, but it's a little cheap cap. Still didn't get anything there. But yeah, I mean, I guess we're just gonna get straight into it. Here we go. Maison, Alambra, Galatea or Galatea. It's a nice little spray. Whew. That's a leather fragrance. You guys see the little spray droplets? Yeah, it don't smell bad. Like, a lot of times when I smell leather fragrances, all I usually get is like raspberry. Like, it smells like a really good raspberry fragrance. It smells good though. It's got like some greens in the back. I'll throw up the notes here on the screen there, but yeah, that smells good. It smells that's pretty legit. I know a lot of people aren't really into leather fragrances, but I think this is a solid pickup. I'm just trying to shine the bottle because it's all fingerprinty, and this one seems like it might hang out on the skin for a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Galatea. Next we're gonna hop into this Qaed al Fursan. I seen this video. This lady, she was talking about like a bunch of these Middle Eastern fragrances, and she was saying this was a really good one. So I'm like, man, I don't know. I have $40 to spend. I just, wanted to get the most bang for my buck. Actually, in one of the next video that I'm gonna post, I did another unboxing last week with some items that I purchased with that money from my job, but I ended up having to send that item back, and I did it twice, thinking that I could buy something for my pull-up bar over here, some accessories for it, but wasn't able to use what I bought, so I ended up sending it back. Sent it back again for that second time, and then I'm just like, whatever, I'm gonna just buy a fragrance. Most of the time I don't go wrong with my blind buys, but yeah, there it is there. In the video that I seen that the lady had posted, this looked like it was metal. I mean, I guess I do feel like it's got some plastic maybe. Yeah, I think that's plastic. But yeah, I don't know, that's pretty much it. Qaed al Fursan, that's it there. Again, super cheap cap. I mean, but what can you expect? What more can you expect from these? It looked like this bottle might be see-through. I doubt that this one, well, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I keep seeing like little glimpses of see-throughness, but yeah, look, let's take a look. Qaed al Fursan. This one, the atomizer is a little weak there. That's nice. That is nice. So I did a little research on this one. I seen that this is supposed to be like inspired by, clone, whatever, but a mashup of Qaed Aventus and Baccarat Rouge 540, and that's pretty much what I get. Like, I'm getting tons of pineapple from that. It smells real clean though. Like, this is, I wouldn't even thought that those two would even make a nice combination. You know what I mean? No, that's nice though. That is. That's nice. Oh. Y'all know I love me a magnetic cap. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. I would never have expected that. The cap feels so light. Nah, and this fragrance smells really good. I like those fruity fragrances. I like all fragrances typically, but the fruity fragrances, they usually get the job done for me. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna keep it short and simple because I gotta edit this and drop it tonight, because I gotta let you guys know about that giveaway that's happening. Make sure y'all get in the giveaway. It's probably gonna be tons of people in there. I hope so, just to make things exciting. But yeah, Galatea, Maison, Alambra. We got Qaed al Fursan. I think this is Lataffa. Yep, Lataffa. Comment below, like I said. Let me know what you guys think of these, if you have these. But make sure you comment below so you can be entered into the giveaway. Giveaway coming soon. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you to everyone that's been subscribed, and even my new subscribers. We're up to 999 as of 7:20 on October 22nd. Like, crazy. I never thought that. I mean, I imagined it, but I never thought it was possible. Especially, it's like really happened in like a week and a half, something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I am Kingx2. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Thank you for watching Kingx2. We out. Peace.